Three ladies and three gentlemen, we shall now reveal the magic sticks in no particular order. Let us start with the gentlemen. You are one of them, Ginoo candidate number 2, Mr. Kishore Patrimonio. Okay. Candidate number 2.
Okay. Who's next? Step forward. Ginoo candidate number 3, Mr. Mark Brazos.
Okay, so dalawang lalaki, ibig sabihin isa pa pong lalaki. Okay? So, you are in Ginoo candidate number 4, Israel Antonio.
Okay, 3 spots taken, 3 to go. Ladies, it's your turn. And you are in Binibini candidate number
1, Cheryl D'Amelia.
Okay. Cheryl D'Amelia, you're in. 2 slots left. You are part of the Magic 6. Candidate number 6. Jeneline Denti.
At ang pinakahuling mapalad sa gabing ito, candidate number?
You are in. Candidate number 5. Miss May Petuco.
Congratulations sa inyong anim. At maraming salamat sa inyo pong lahat.
Okay, congratulations to all the candidates and of course those who were chosen for the Magic 6.
Itatabi po muna natin itong mga trophies.
Okay, so once again ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan po natin yung ating mga candidates at pasalamatan natin sila for joining this event. Okay, so in a few moments, we shall know the winners of Ginoo at Binibining Kalimanlangang Filipino 2008. In the meantime, we have the question and answer for the Magic 6. Okay, so before we go to our announcement of the Ginoo at Binibining Kalimanlangang Filipino, we now have the final interview. The candidate score in this interview shall be 50% of the final score. The other 50% shall come from the preliminary scores they got a while back in the 4 major categories.
For the final interview, each